the way they run this event is they just wait till it's like really big and really beautiful, and it's from another planet, this event. It's too special.
When we ride big waves, it's a serious atmosphere. I mean, it's a matter of being in the lineup and having an aura that's surrounding you in the lineup with all these other guys from all the foreign countries, letting them know that you're there, and that when the big wave comes, you're gonna go. My whole purpose in Eddie was to make sure that his legacy will live on for years and years and years to come. You know, there's a lot of dedication that goes into that.
So every time someone wins, we add it.
This is the perpetual
Yeah,
trophy.
if you agree.
Yeah,
Oh, that's awesome.
we agree. Leave the pot.
When someone wins, you hold
They
it like
lift it
that.
up.
Oh man,
And so it's got,
let me try.
Absolutely.
it's heavy.
It feels.
It's really heavy.
Oh, check on my hand. Okay. Oh, oh,
It's no joke.
oh! This is so beautiful.
You happy?
And this one.